Struggling to find the employee summary report in Gusto? Learn the exact 4-click path to generate it in under a minute. First, open Gusto and locate the employee you need. Then, access the Employee Summary tab and hit Generate Report. Let's dive in. First, go ahead and open up Gusto. That'll bring you to the main dashboard where you can handle employee tasks. Next, use the search bar and type Employee. That'll filter the menu so you can quickly find what you need. Now, from the list of results, click on Employee Summary to select it. Finally, click Generate Report to wrap it up. And that's all there is to it. Happy reporting! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.